Hello everyone, and welcome to the Qorrect platform. In this video, we'll learn together how, as an item creator, we can create MCQ questions. First, log in with your item creator account. Then, on the left-hand side of the page, click on Items. This will open the Items page. The first step is to select the module where you want to create your items. Click on the module drop-down list, and you will see all the modules assigned to you. Select the module, then click on Create Item. A new page will open showing you all the available question types. There are 14 different question types in total. In this video, we'll focus on the MCQ question type. Click on MCQ, and you'll be taken to the page where you can enter the question details. The first section is the Basics section. Here, you will find the question stem field. This is where you enter your question stem using the CK editor, which provides all the tools you need to build your question. For example, you can add an image by clicking this icon, attach a video by clicking this icon, or upload or record an audio file here. When uploading audio, you can also define how many times students can replay it. You also have the option to record audio directly, but note that the maximum recording duration is 15 minutes. In the CK editor, you can also insert a table. Write mathematical equations. Or even add chemical formulas. An important note. In the question, you can also add additional info, which includes 3 options. Hint appears to the student during the exam. Feedback appears to the student after the exam. Comment visible only to the examiners. Once you finish writing your question stem, the next step is to add the alternatives. Everything we did while writing the question stem can also be done inside each alternative. You can even add additional info for each alternative if needed. To add a new alternative, simply click Add New Alternative, and a new field will open where you can type your option. After entering all alternatives, select the correct answer by clicking Correct Alternative on the right side of the chosen option. The next step is to map the question to your ILOs. This requires that you've already created your subject and added the content and ILOs. To map the question, go to the top and click on Mapping. Then click on Add Item Mapping, choose the subject from the drop-down list, then select the unit, lesson, and finally the ILO. Click OK to save the mapping. The third section is Psychometrics. This section provides statistical analysis of the question after students attempt it. It helps us measure the quality of the question and determine if it truly differentiates between stronger and weaker students. Here, you'll find indicators such as p-value, empirical classical parameters, empirical IRT parameters, item characteristic curve, item information curve. Important note: these values are only preliminary and depend on the sample size of students who answered the question in a specific exam. They may change as the question is used by more students or in different exams. The fourth section is the settings. The first part is the item metadata, where you can add an item code and also specify the item author. Next, you'll find Advanced Settings, where you can shuffle alternatives, add the expected time to solve the question, define the difficulty level, specify how many times this question can be used. Once the limit is reached, the question status will automatically change to expired, meaning it can no longer be used in exams. Finally, you can add tags, which work as keywords to make it easier to search for the item in the question bank. Once you finish entering all details, you can click Save, or Save and Create to immediately start a new question, or Save and Start Analysis, which runs an analysis across the question bank and identifies duplicate, similar, or equivalent questions. You can also submit the item for review by clicking Submit Item for Review, or approve it directly without review by clicking Save and Approve. And that's how we create an MCQ question on the Qorrect platform.